Hello, I'm Josh, and if you're new to my channel, Mr. Plumber, I'll be guiding you through your plumbing projects. So leave a comment with your video request and be sure to subscribe and show your support with a thumbs up.
Hey YouTube, got a call that we have a water leak in the utility closet, which it is blazing hot in this room. It's got all electrical in here that puts off heat. So if you hear that buzzing noise, that is this unit here. That mug is extremely hot. I mean, it's, I don't know, probably 110 or so degrees in here. It's hot. But anyway, got a water leak. Floor is all wet. And see that and that's coming off the electrical line, but it's actually spraying up and hitting the electrical line. Maybe you can see it better when I put my finger over it. When you do a repair, I like to use the Pro Press, like over here. Pro Press. So I'll take it loose here. All right, so out here to the truck. Lay your pipe on there. Mark it. And then sand it. Go ahead and flux it. And this is how I do it. You guys can do it however you want, but this is how I do it. Well, first I'll take the bigger nut off of there. Now I'm tightening it down just enough to where it holds it and bites it. Not actually and then I use some water. To cool it down enough to where you can touch it. And then I'll go over here and turn the breaker on. Pump. Alright guys, if you see value in this video, don't forget, give me a thumbs up.